What's up, y'all? I'm Dave. This is RV Family.Life. I've lived in an RV for 2 years with my family, my wife Tanya, our two daughters, German Shepherd, and a cat. We travel the country showing you what it's like to live in an RV. And right now, I am touring RVs. These are homes that people live in. And some of them are modified. Some of them are modified so much. You want to call this an Airstream? But it almost isn't an Airstream because the entire interior has been 100% redone and it is now something completely different. And I say, if you're going to call it an Airstream, this is hands down the best Airstream. I have mentioned it before on this channel. This is Lindsay and Stewart's Airstream. We're going to go take a look at it. I've heard it's had more modifications done since the last time I've seen it. I'm also standing in front of the famous truck of the ever wonderful and nice Stewart. He is a great guy. Do not be fooled by things you've seen on the internet. Stewart is a terrific guy. So I've been trying to show more of the stickers that show the weights and whatnot on these RVs, but with it being a totally custom one, I mean, I don't know if the sticker is even going to matter. Look at this. Now I know that right there, that is an on-demand hot water heater. Because why wouldn't Stewart have an on-demand hot water heater? He knows how to put them in himself. They've got storage on the back bumpers on Airstreams. That's probably something that didn't get changed. But like I said, most of the stuff is on the inside that changed. If you want to check out some of the work that went into this, you could look at LivingSmallDreamingBig YouTube channel, and you can see all the work that went into building this. They put a lot of effort into this. I say Lindsay and Stewart are the Chip and Joanna of the RV world. All right, let's take a look in the living room right here. The first thing you see in the living room is the bed. That's right, they set this up so that the bed is pretty much the living room. They've got a nice space right here, plenty of storage around the bed for things that they need. I love the Bibles up across the top, and this is their television. Isn't that amazing? Well, you know, it's sort of their television. They've got a screen that they put over on the other side using hooks over here. And they've got this terrific little garden growing inside. And then they've got their dining room table. You can see it here. It folds down against the wall. Brand new countertop in here. It used to be a fridge that popped up in the middle, but they've got this all evened out now. Long, flowing kitchen. Isn't that amazing? You've got this shelving up here, magnets for the knives. Huge sink. I thought my sink was big, but that is clearly bigger than my sink.
I did not want one of those shallow RV sinks.
Yeah, that is great. I love all the hooks for the utensils. And where did the refrigerator go? Did you just...
It's right there.
This?
It was here, and
okay.
now it's here.
So you just dropped the refrigerator down?
Yeah, it's just a pull-out style, 2 drawers.
Outstanding.
And then we got the Dometic 95 cubic inch or cubic foot chest freezer, like fridge freezer under the bed.
Okay. Very cool. By the way, this is Stewart. This is the nicest guy on the internet. Despite what you've heard, despite what you may have seen on the internet, this guy is just a really nice guy. And he does terrific work because, I mean, look at this RV. Thanks, Stewart. All right, this is their bathroom. And remember, everything here is custom. They completely gutted this. If you don't believe me, go to their YouTube channel, watch the video. You will see where they completely built all this up from the ground up. Look, I love this. Plexiglass right there in the shower. Max fan working hard to keep it nice inside of here. Beautiful barn-style door. Now they've got 2 kids. And right here at the end of the kitchen, we have got the bunk beds. Their daughter Audrey gets to sleep down here on the bottom. She's got plenty of space for her stuffed animals. They got a little space to seat in the corner, but their dog Primrose looks like it may have taken over back there. And I love their use of rock climbing wall kind of stuff here to help their son Maverick get up into his upper bunk. Love the little lights that they've got over there too. Make that room just kind of feel nice and bright. Some storage bins down here for the kids' clothes. Great use of space. Just such an awesome RV. I cannot stop talking about how terrific their Airstream looks. The one that they built, they designed it. And the fact that they got that countertop, now the fridge is lower because the fridge was up higher. So they redid their cabinet so that countertop goes all the way down. Makes it feel so huge in a 27-foot camper. Now, if you're ever interested in doing like solar upgrades and whatnot, that is something that Stewart works on. His truck here is all equipped, so he is ready to go out to sites and give people lithium and solar upgrades. Now, Don't think that's something cheap. It's not. That's the reason that I don't have a solar upgrade yet. I had to choose between like 1,000 Trails or doing solar and lithium batteries. We went the 1,000 Trails route. There's nothing wrong with that solar lithium option though. So if that's something you're interested in, I believe that Stewart's craftsmanship is so good that he could hook you up with a terrific build. All right, well, that's going to do it for this Airstream of Living Small, Dreaming Big. I want to remind you that life happens. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.